Today, I am taking you with me as I will be having my eyes checked and the probability of having a new eyeglasses. Kaya yes, medyo na change of grade ang akong mata tungod aning pandemic. Spending more time on gadgets, sige na sugutan na og TV, and medyo wala sige pa huwa itong mata karon, so probably kinahanglan yun ako ipacheck ang ako ang mata. And where would be the best place? Of course, akong trusted optical clinic. The Celebrity Optical. It is located at the 3rd level of SM Seaside City. If you have been seeing, guys, I am really flexing how to follow the proper protocols. Because yes, guys, it is our responsibility to protect ourselves in the same way protecting others. And I am so happy that Celebrity Optical is really doing their part also. Why did I say trusted? Aside sa friend yun nako si Dr. Christine, ganahan yun ko doctor ang mo check sa ko ang mata. And here in Celebrity Optical, affordable and of quality yun ang ilang frames and lenses. And now, they are really strict, including hasta ang pen ka nag-sterilize man oy before using it. And yes, the doctor or si Doctine kay naka-PPE sa you to protect herself in the same way maprotektahan po dayon ta. And if ever you want to know what are the new protocols gyud kung unsaon pagpa-check up sa atong mata in the new normal, please subscribe and watch Dr. Christine Fernandez Fabian's vlog about this. But that's it. If you have noticed, everything is really sterilized and wala gali mi contact ni Dr. Christine. And I've been informed, of course, every after patient is sanitize gyud ang room after. One of the big changes, of course, kay dili na ka pwede kay mamili sa imuhang frames. In other words, si ate ang assistant siya ni mukuha si imuhang lens nga gusto, iyahang ibutang sa tray and imo mapilian pa more. I think dili kay nyo mabantayan kay almost all of my frames kay pira-piri haragyos lag shape o gidakon, but my last 4 or 5 specs kay gikan yun sa Celebrity Optical. And this is my additional tip. Aside having blue filter in our eyeglasses, kay sige lang yung tagtanaw og screen kay ron, have your eyeglasses also in transitions para dili maglisod og adjust ang atong mata from hayag to ngit-ngit. Kay murag kapoy na kayo sige adjust, at least kani ang eyeglasses mo adjust para nato. In my experience, guys, having your eyeglasses in transitions nindot jud kaayo while driving. Gikan kas gawas mo sulod or sulod mo gawas ka, dili gud maglabad ang imuhang ulo. And so that's it, guys. Thank you so much, Dr. Christine. And yeah, if ever you want to visit Dr. Christine, it is again located at the 3rd level of SM Seaside City. Added right now, they have this super all-in promo for 1,480 pesos only na nakay-complete eyeglasses, contact lenses, and solution. But then again, guys, ayaw sa mo kalimot og brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!